We live in a world that is digitally transforming around us. Every day, we witness a seismic force of fresh innovation and unprecedented disruption of traditional industries. 24/7, we are surrounded by digital experiences. And in this brave new world, bad or even mediocre customer and employee experiences are very costly. That's why proactively monitoring everything that affects a user's digital experience is more important than ever. But that's really difficult. To understand why, let's dissect how a typical session unfolds. A branch office or home user wants to access an app that is hosted in a data center. That means establishing a connection over the internet between their computer and the application servers. That involves traversing the user's ISP to a backbone transit provider, to the data center, and finally to the server. Except, it isn't just a single backbone. Through peering agreements, the backbone providers routinely hand off traffic to other backbone providers, creating a complex path. But it is even more nuanced and complex than that. There are requests for domain resolution to DNS servers to resolve addresses. There is content or services delivered by CDNs, security, and any number of other third-party services. By the time we're done, there are a dizzying array of connections and requests to hundreds of services, none of which are controlled by you. And that's what makes monitoring your user's digital experience so difficult. All of these services have a direct impact on your user's experience. But traditional enterprise monitoring solutions are blind to this complexity, and most of them are incapable of measuring the most important part, the user experience. They can see your local area network, your data center infrastructure, and, with application performance monitoring, even your application code. But they are blind to everything in between. And in today's world, almost everything that matters lives in those blind spots. To be effective, you have to proactively monitor everything and from everywhere, leaving no blind spots. Catchpoint can help. The Catchpoint Digital Experience Monitoring Platform collects crucial data from every point in your application delivery chain. We start by gathering data from our global monitoring network with more than 825 locations in 205 cities across 85 countries. These locations act like mystery shoppers that continually probe all your apps and services, keeping very close tabs on their availability, reachability, performance, and reliability. What's crucial is that our monitoring locations are distributed across the app or service delivery path into which traditional tools are blind. Catchpoint monitors from premier data centers on networks your traffic is most likely to traverse in every major city worldwide. We critically monitor from hundreds of backbone, broadband, cloud, wireless network, and last-mile locations, connected to top-tier ISPs, and not cheap providers no one has ever heard of. We augment this by extending our reach to your enterprise locations and all the way into the endpoints of your customers and employees. This proactive approach lets you spot problems as they develop, before your users are impacted. Catchpoint collects and analyzes its vast data and turns it into actionable insights that help your business ensure your customers and employees enjoy the very best digital experiences possible. In summary, Catchpoint can help you measure and exceed your digital transformation goals by proactively monitoring customer experience, employee and partner experience, performance of all networks, and performance of all your digital apps and services. Catchpoint, advancing user experiences everywhere.